In today's video, we're going to talk about the difference between the cheapest home and the average home in Cheyenne, Wyoming. So the cheapest home right now is $159,900. That home was built in 1916, has 835 total square feet, 2-bed, 1-bath on a very, very tiny lot, 0.07 acres. And the reason, as you probably can guess, is this home has been on the market for a long time. It's been on the market for 195 days. And it has all the things that you could imagine needed to be done with it. Exterior paint, interior paint, paneling, carpet, updating, all the things you can think of. This house definitely needs that. And so if you want to try to maintain the average, which the average home in Cheyenne right now is $427,000, and that is what is the average on the market right now. And if you're wanting to make sure that you're sitting in the average, because the average house is where things are selling, and that's what maintains the average. And sometimes by putting in more improvements into those homes, it will raise the average in an area, which means you're part of the herd. All of those homes in the middle are working its way up in value, whereas you don't want to be the cheapest home on the block. So how do you do that? You got to paint the exterior when it is starting to fade. You need to put new flooring in when it's all stained up, when your family is growing and you no longer have sticky stuff in the carpet and all that fun stuff. Then by maintaining those things, making sure that your interior of your home is freshly painted. If you have an old kitchen, maybe when you have opportunity to update that kitchen, because as we all know from watching TV and watching all of the improvement channels, kitchens and bathrooms is what sells homes, and so that you can maintain that average. Just like in life, if you work at things, then you're going to be able to raise your average, just like your bowling average. I know you bowl. I know you didn't think I was going to call you out, did I? But yes. So if you're out there and you're wondering, how do I maintain the average? Well, you need to reach out to a more than average agent so that we can help you with those tips and tricks to raise the value of your home and get yourself out of the average and be above average. I'm JP Fluellen, Titan Real Estate Team at Real, and we will catch you guys on the next video. Peace!